The whole Middle East is witnessing one of the most dangerous military escalation in recent years, and the latest developments they are raising serious global concern. Reports emerging from the region suggest that Iran has launched a large wave of missiles and drone strikes targeting sites linked to the US and Israel, and that too across Gulf and the nearby region. This whole situation is evolving rapidly with multiple countries now on high alert. Welcome to TimesXP's war coverage, and according to the statements released by the powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, Iran carried out coordinated attacks using ballistic missiles and armed drones. Iranian officials claim that several strategic targets were struck, including facilities connected to American and Israeli military operations. One of the locations reportedly targeted was Muwaffaq Saltieh base, that is in Jordan. Now, that is a base frequently used for collision air operations in that particular region. Explosions, they were also reported in Israeli cities such as Tel Aviv, Beersheba, where air defense systems they were activated to intercept the incoming threat. And wait, at the center of all of this, it's just one name: the Khorram-Sher-4 Khaybar ballistic missile. This is long-range missile that is believed to have range of nearly 2,000 km and the ability to carry a very heavy warhead. Military experts say that its advanced design, it allows it to travel extremely at high speed and maneuver in final stage of that flight, making it very hard to intercept. It is basically Iran's Brahmastra. In the meantime, regional governments are also reporting an unprecedented scale of the attack. Officials in the United Arab Emirates, they have claimed that more than 1,400 Iranian missiles and drones, they were launched towards different targets, and that too across region in recent days. While many of these projectiles were intercepted though by the strong air defense system, but the sheer number of the launches, it has now forced several countries to activate their emergency security measure. And yes, another worrying development has come from northern Iraq. Reports indicate that a drone strike damaged an important radar installation at Al-Harir Air Base. It's located near the city of Erbil. This base is used by American and coalition forces for surveillance air operations. Damage to the radar system, it can temporarily reduce the ability to detect the incoming aircraft or missile, and which is why such attacks are considered strategically significant. In the meantime, the US has also increased its military readiness across the region. Additional fighter jets, surveillance aircraft, naval assets, they have reportedly been placed on standby in the Persian Gulf. Here, military analysts say that these moments, they suggest that Washington is now preparing for the possibility of the further escalation, which is, by the way, very, very dangerous. The whole situation is now becoming extremely volatile. Missiles, drones, air defense system, military bases, and that too across several countries, they are now part of the same crisis. And with multiple global powers involved, experts warn that even a small miscalculation can quickly turn this regional conflict into a much, much larger war.